SupplySide Network 365 platform will serve as the mobile app for SupplySide West 2021, October 25th through the 28th. Check the homepage buttons to find show information and floor plan. Use the SupplySide West Exhibitors and Sponsors and the SupplySide West Attendees tabs to connect with the on-site exhibitors, sponsors, and attendees. Explore the People and the Companies tab to connect with members of the entire SupplySide community who may be joining us virtually. Use the app before the event to identify target companies and industry people. Send a message or schedule a meeting, virtually or at the show. You can also do the same with attendees. For the first time ever, the attendee list is at your fingertips. Use filters and search on the left-hand side to identify people that meet your target criteria based on business type, categories, and job role. Click on a user to send a message or schedule a meeting. Download the mobile app now and enable notifications so you don't miss any incoming chats or meeting confirmations.